Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious date toffee. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of unsalted butter, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 1/4 cup of water. For the star of the show, have 1 cup of finely chopped dates ready. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Also, prepare a baking sheet by lining it with parchment paper. This makes cleanup and removal much easier. Let's get cooking. Now let's create that perfect toffee base. In a heavy-bottomed saucepan, combine your butter, sugar, and water. Place the pan over medium heat, stirring continuously until the sugar dissolves and the mixture comes to a rolling boil. It's crucial to keep stirring to prevent burning. Continue cooking without stirring until a candy thermometer inserted into the mixture reaches exactly 285 degrees Fahrenheit. This precise temperature ensures the right toffee consistency. Once your toffee reaches the correct temperature, remove it from the heat immediately. This is where the dates come in. Quickly stir in your 1 cup of chopped dates, ensuring they are well distributed throughout the hot toffee. Then, add your 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for that wonderful aroma and taste. Work fast, as the toffee sets quickly. Pour the entire mixture onto your parchment-lined baking sheet, spreading it evenly with a spatula. The hardest part is waiting, but it's essential for perfect toffee. Let your date toffee cool completely at room temperature for at least 2 hours, or until it's firm and brittle. Once fully cooled, you can easily break it into irregular pieces or use a sharp knife to cut it into neat squares or rectangles. Store your delicious homemade date toffee in an airtight container. It makes a fantastic treat or a thoughtful gift. Remember to check the description for the Little Trees Black Ice link and other great deals. Enjoy your sweet creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.